Habang busy po ang maraming Pilipino sa pakikinig ng mga isyong panglipunan, John Vic Romulia ng gobernador ng Cavite nakalusot na po sa makapangyarihan Commission on Appointment na ginanap kahapon sa Senado. Ayan, siya po ay nakalusot na bilang maglilingkod kapalit ni Benhur Abalos sa Department of Interior and Local Government. Ayan mga kapatid, dalawang Rimulya na po sa Marcos administration ang maglilingkod. Si Secretary Boying Rimulya ng Department of Justice at si Secretary John Vic Remulla ng Department of Interior and Local Government. Siya po ay nakalusot na po kahapon sa makapangyarihang committee ng Commission on Appointment. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan mga kapatid. Alam naman natin no, na si John Vic, ako po ay proud Caviteño at proud po kami na si John Vic Remulla po ay uupo bilang Department of Interior and Local Government. Sana po mapaglingkuran niya ng may puso at malasakit ang kanyang nasasakupan dahil buong Pilipinas na po ang kanyang paglilingkuran, ano. Sana po maging patas po ang anuman pong magiging ang inyo pong magiging aksyon at inyong mga magiging pagtugon sa mga kaganapan po na mangyayari po sa buong Pilipinas. Sana po ay mapagpaigi nyo at mapagpabuti nyo po ang paghawak po ng DILG. At ayun na nga po mga kapatid, panoorin po natin at saksihan po natin ang kanyang pagkakatalaga kahapon. Panoorin po natin ang video.
Chair, may we now proceed to consider the recommendation of the Committee on the Interior and Local Government on the ad interim appointment of Mr. Juanito Victor Katibayan Remulla as Secretary, Department of the Interior and Local Government. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman, I move that we recognize the Chairperson of the Committee on the Interior and Local Government, the Honorable Senator Juan Miguel Mixzubi. So move, Mr. President.
Senator Zubiri is recognized to deliver his sponsorship and opening remarks. You are recognized, sir, and you may proceed.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, my distinguished colleagues, the Committee on Interior and Local Government conducted its first public hearing this morning to hear and deliberate on the ad interim appointment of Secretary Juanito Victor Katibayan Remulla, issued by and submitted to this commission by our President, President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. It is this representation's distinct privilege and honor to recommend to the plenary the confirmation of the ad interim appointment of the subject appointee, Secretary Remulla of the Department of Interior and Local Government. Secretary Remulla holds a Bachelor of Arts degree in philosophy from the University of the Philippines, Diliman. He started his public service at a young age of 27, having been elected as board member of the 2nd District of the province of Cavite from 1995 to 1998. He then became a 3-term vice governor of the province, serving from 1998 to 2007, and before finally becoming governor from 2010 to 2016, and then again from 2019 to October this year. He comes from the prominent Remulla family of the province of Cavite. His late father, Juanito Reyes Remulla, was a lawyer and a longtime governor of the province, while his mother, Titas Juvenco Katibayan, is the one who oversees them and manages the family properties in the province. Secretary John Vic, known to his constituents, my dear colleagues in Cavite, my dear colleagues, as Governor Pogi, was involved in politics for 23 years. This will be his first national appointment, so maybe we can now call him Sec Pogi. And we expect him to bring the same energy, ingenuity, industry, dedication, and passion to this new role. As a local chief executive, my dear colleagues, he is lauded for bringing improved delivery of public services to Caviteños, especially to those with disabilities, as well as providing internet access to students of the province. He is also credited for Cavite's responsive local government units and best-equipped police force, and for bringing improvements in the province, education, health, and social services, as well as infrastructure. Under his leadership, Cavite has also received multiple awards. It was the first and only province to receive an ISO 9001 and 2008 certification in 2012, and has since maintained the ISO 9001-2015 certification. And ARTA, that is from the Anti-Red
Happy si
Tape
John
Authority
Vic.
compliance. It was recognized by the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry as one of the most business-friendly provinces in the country for the year
Correct. Totoo
2021.
yan.
It was ranked as one of the top-performing LGUs in the Cities and Municipalities Competitiveness Index, and was commended by the DILG as one of the top-performing provinces of our country.
Yes.
As the head of the DILG, Secretary Remulla is committed to implementing reforms, including, number one, enhancing efficiency and public service delivery
through the digitalization of local government units. Number two, expanding the unified 911 emergency response system to provide efficient emergency services for all Filipinos. And number three, introducing organizational reforms within the Philippine National Police. And number four, ensuring peaceful elections in 2025 for our candidates and voters alike. Secretary Remulla has an astute mind, which both the green-minded and the blue-blooded can take credit for. Having received training from both De La Salle University for his primary education and Ateneo for his secondary education, more importantly, Mr. Chairman, our subject official has an extensive experience in local government, which I'm sure will give him a better understanding of the issues and challenges confronting the LGUs today, and therefore place him in a better position to provide innovative solutions to address such challenges. I am confident, my dear colleagues, that his appointment will also encourage smoother coordination and improve communication between the national government and our local government units, which we hope will translate to safer, more resilient and exclusive communities for every Filipino. And finally, Mr. President, being an alumnus of the UP, the whole UP community is thankful to his stewardship of the UP basketball team and to the UP sports program, having won a lot of championships under his belt. We thank him for that. Mr. Chairman, with the above mentioned points, I have the honor to move for the confirmation of the Commission on plenary, the ad interim appointment of the Secretary of the Department of Interior and Local Government of the Philippines.
Lusot na
Secretary
yan, matik na
Juanito
yan.
Victor Katibayan Remulla. I so move, Mr. Chairman. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator Zubiri. His remarks are duly noted and entered into the records. Majority Floor Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Lady from Bacoor, Representative Lani Mercado Revilla. I move that she be recognized as President.
Senator Lani Mercado
Ayan.
Revilla is recognized to deliver
Si
her seconding
Mayor
speech.
Lan,
You may proceed, ma'am.
congresswoman ngayon yan.
Thank you very much, Honorable President, esteemed colleagues, and distinguished guests. I rise today in support of the confirmation of the ad interim appointment of our provincial governor now, DILG Secretary Juanito Victor John V. Katibayan Remulla, as the 28th Secretary of the Department of the Interior and Local Government. I'm sure I am one with the entire province of Cavite in expressing our utmost confidence that he is the right person for this job. His advocacy for the strengthening and professionalization of our local government units, ensuring peace and order, and safeguarding the welfare of our fellow Filipinos can now be replicated in the entire country. His department is faced with much challenges, but with Secretary John Vic at the helm, I know we will continue to make meaningful progress moving forward. For years, Secretary Remulla has been an exemplary leader in the province of Cavite. Under his stewardship, Cavite has garnered numerous prestigious awards and recognitions, including being the first and only province to receive ISO 9001-2008 certification in 2012, a certification it has maintained and upgraded to ISO 9001-2015. And under his leadership, Cavite has received prestigious awards such as the Seal of Good Financial Housekeeping and recognized as beyond compliant in the 22nd Gawad Kalasag Seal of Local Disaster Risk Reduction and Management, and has been consistently ranked as one of the top-performing provinces in the DILG's various assessments. These awards are not merely recognitions, they are evidence of Secretary Remulla's able leadership and passion to serve the Filipino people. While he is known for his infectious sense of humor and positive spirit, he is all business when it comes to his responsibilities to his community and this country. And yes, we cannot forget that Secretary Remulla is also a proud and dedicated supporter of the UP men's basketball team. His loyalty to this alma mater speaks of his passion and commitment. Secretary Remulla's appointment is an exciting development of our nation. As a fellow Caviteño, ang bayan ng mga bayani at mandirigma, I cannot help but feel a special sense of pride today, knowing that once again, our province is contributing a leader of such distinction to the service of our nation. Ipagpapatuloy natin ang pagsusulong hindi lamang ng progreso ng Cavite, kundi pati na rin ang pag-unlad ng ating minamahal na Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayo, Secretary John Vic Remulla.
Cavite, our dear colleague, Senator Bong Revilla. I move that he be recognized.
Senator Revilla is recognized to deliver his seconding speech. You are recognized and you may proceed, sir.
Senator Bong.
Mr. Chair, it is my profound honor to strongly support the confirmation of the ad interim appointment of Secretary Juanito Victor Remulla to the Department of Interior and Local Government. Secretary John Vic and I have been working together for our kababayans for 3 decades already. But we have known each other far longer than that, with our families coming both from Imus, Cavite. Sabay po kami pumasok sa larangan ng paglilingkod bayan noong 1995. Ako po bilang Vice Gobernador ng Lalawigan ng Cavite at siya bilang board member ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan. I was only 28 years old noon at siya naman po ay 48 ba? 27, 1 year younger than I am. We belong to the opposite sides of Cavite's political spectrum. At alam nyo naman kung gaano katindi ang politika sa Cavite noong mga panahon na yan.
Correct.
Hindi maikakaila na na dahil sa aming pinanggalingan at kinatatayuan noon ay marami kaming magkakaibang paninindigan. But this did not prevent us from collaborating and becoming friends. Hindi ito naging hadlang para mapaglingkuran namin ang aming mga kababayan. He became my vice governor in 1998 and continued to serve as vice governor until 2007. Mula noon, naging idol na niya ako. Pati palayaw na go pogi kinuha niya. Ako yung original pogi, pero biro lang. Sabi niya mas pogi daw siya kaysa sa akin. Pagbibigyan lang kita dyan, secretary ka na okay lang. And then, biro. But when I ventured into the national stage, John V. continued to serve Capiteños. Secretary Remulla was elected governor in 2010 and again in 2013 when he and my son Jolo won by massive landslide. At isa nga siya sa naging mentor ni Jolo. Another Secretary Remulla, Boying, would be elected governor in 2016, but John Vic would return in 2019. At magpapatuloy nga siyang ama ng aming lalawigan hanggang italaga siya ng ating mahal na Pangulo bilang kalihim ng DILG. As Governor of Cavite, he demonstrated firm and visionary leadership aimed at improving the lives of Caviteños. In fact, under his administration, Cavite was cited as the first ISO 1901-2008 certified provincial government in Asia at patuloy sa ISO 9001-2015 hanggang sa kasalukuyan. Aside from this, he was also named as one of the People Asia Magazine's People of the Year in 2013. Kaya naman, huwag naman sa ikalalaki ng ulo mo, Sek, pero sa pag-alis mo, malaking kawalan sa lalawigan ng Cavite. Pero gayong paman, Cavite's loss is the nation's great gain. Kilala si John Vic sa pagiging tapat sa bayan, tapat sa usapan. Ito marahil ang napukaw ng atensyon ng presidente para siya ay pagkatiwalaan at napakahalagang katungkulan. With his rich experience in management and local governance, the president would not have made a better choice. Secretary John Vic, sa karangalan ng Cavite, we have full trust and confidence that you will discharge the duties of this new office with passion and dedication guided by the years of experience and life lessons under your belt. You have our full support as you embark on this critical mission to strengthen local governance and empower communities across our beloved country. Kasama mo kami sa inyong misyon na way higit ka pang biyayaan ng ating Diyos ng patuloy na lakas at sigasig patungo sa inaasam nating kaularan at pagkakaisa tungo sa pag-unlad ng sambayanang Pilipinas. Sir John Vic, kung gaano natin pinatahimik ang Cavite noon, ganun din ang gawin mo sa buong Pilipinas at alam kong kaya mo yan. Mabuhay ka, mabuhay ang Cavite, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
May we reiterate the earlier motion of the committee chairperson, Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, for the commission to confirm the ad interim appointment of Mr. Juanito Victor Katibayan Remulla as Secretary of the Department of the Interior and Local Government. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, on the part of the minority, we fully support the confirmation of the ad interim appointment of Secretary John Vic Remulla.
The remarks of Congressman Pimentel are duly noted. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the Commission hereby confirms the ad interim appointment of Mr. Juanito Victor Katibayan Remulla as
Nakalusot
Secretary,
na.
Department of Interior and Local Government. Congratulations,
Nakalusot.
Secretary.
Astig. Nakita po natin kung paano po lumusot sa makapangyarihan Commission on Appointment si Secretary John Vic Remulla. Congratulations, Sec. Ayan, dalawa na po ang maglilingkod sa Marcos administration na ang apelyido ay Remulla. Si Boying Remulla ng DOJ at si John Vic Remulla ng DILG. So, sana makita natin ang kanilang pagpupursige ng may puso at ng may dedikasyon. Sana makita natin na walang maging bias dito sa pagtugon ng kanilang mga tungkulin. Alam naman natin na ang mandato po ni ang magiging mandato ni Secretary John Vic Remulla ay siya po ang hawak ng mga mayor. Sa kanya po yan, sa kanya po ang paghawak po ng mga mayor, ang pagsasampa ng mga kaso at pagbusisi ng mga katiwalian po sa mga mayor at mga barangay ay si Secretary John Vic Remulla po ang may hawak niyan. Ang hiling lang po natin, sana walang maging bias, ano, kasi syempre nakikita po natin DILG po ang may hawak, Remulla. Tapos sa DOJ naman po, Department of Justice, si Remulla pa rin po. Sana wag magkaroon ng pagiging bias dito. Sana maging lumusot po at maging maayos ang panunungkulan kung talagang makikita natin dito kung talagang magiging mapili ba sila sa pagsasampa ng mga kaso ng mga kakaharapin na iba't ibang mayor. Ay sana wag silang maging wag silang maging ipokrito at wag maging bias, ano, dahil sila rin po ang tumitingin at sila rin po ang magsasampa ng mga kaso kung may mga nakikita silang mga paglabag ng mga mayor. Tignan natin at subaybayan natin, mga kapatid, kung paano po ang magiging takbo ng panunungkulan po ni Secretary John Vic Remulla. Kami po sa Cavite ay proud po kami. Kaming mga Caviteños ay proud po sa panunungkulan po ni Secretary John Vic Remulla nung siya po ay gobernador pa po ng lalawigan ng Cavite. Pero siguro tignan natin, bantayan natin kung paano ang magiging galaw niya, ang kanyang magiging trabaho at magiging kilos, ang kanyang mga magiging polisiya nang siya po ay nakalusot na po sa makapangyarihang COA. Bantayan natin to, mga kapatid. Ano po ang masasabi nyo, mga kapatid, sa kanyang pagluklok po bilang DILG? Ipahayag nyo po ang inyong mga komento at suggestion sa ating comment section, mga kapatid. Maraming salamat po.